Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Steam error code E8 on Windows PC. If you are also facing such type of error code, a Steam error code E8, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to Windows settings by right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side choose system. Thereafter go to right side and here look for troubleshoot. Click on it. Choose other troubleshooters. Here run network and internet troubleshooter. Click on run and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process, and scroll down and you will find the option program compatibility troubleshooters. Run this troubleshooters also and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether your Steam error code E8 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Run Steam as administrator mode. Right click on desktop shortcuts of Steam icon and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, click on compatibility. Here under compatibility mode, make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and make the check against option run this program as an administrator. And finally, click on apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your error appeared or not. If your problem is not fixed, then launch your Google Chrome browser or any other browser your system having. Click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and choose settings. Click on three horizontal line again top left and choose privacy and security. Clear your browser caches, cookies and site data. Under privacy and security, delete browsing data. Click on it and make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data under advanced tab and click on delete data. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose device manager. Device manager windows will open now. Here expand network adapter section and right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers. And check whether your Steam error code E8 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch control panel in your system. Here click on Windows Defender Firewall. From the left side of menu, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall or any other antivirus you installed in your system. Under private network, turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and as well as public network settings, turn off Windows Defender Firewall and check whether your error is resolved or not. After that, you must turn on Windows Defender Firewall in your system. Click OK to save the changes. And the last option is reinstall a Steam app. First uninstall a Steam app, go to control panel, choose program and features. Here select Steam and click on uninstall and reinstall a fresh Steam app, latest version of a Steam app in your system